2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer, MP3 player, power door locks, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.